Today, we're focusing on what hazmat labels mean, the different types, and why they're so important. First, what are hazmat labels? They are the colorful stickers you see on packages that contain dangerous goods. These labels are not just for decoration. They communicate essential safety information about the contents. There are 9 classes of hazardous materials. Each class has a unique label with its own color and symbol. Let's walk through them. Class 1 is all about explosives. These labels are usually orange and feature a bursting ball symbol. If you see this, handle it with extreme care. Class 2 covers gases. These labels can be green, red, or yellow depending on the gas type. Green indicates non-flammable, red for flammable, and yellow for oxidizers. Watch out for those symbols. Class 3 is for flammable liquids. Think gasoline or alcohol. These labels are red and display a flame symbol. Keep these materials away from heat. Next, Class 4 is for flammable solids. These labels can be red and white stripes or white with a flame symbol. Handle these with caution, as they're highly reactive. Class 5 deals with oxidizing substances and organic peroxides. Their labels are yellow with an O in flames. They can cause other materials to ignite, so keep them separate. Class 6 is about toxic and infectious substances. These labels are white with a skull and crossbones or biohazard symbols. Always use protective gear when handling these. Class 7 is for radioactive materials. The labels are yellow and white with a trefoil symbol. Distance and shielding are key when dealing with these. Class 8 involves corrosives. These labels are black and white and show a substance burning through metal or skin. Wear gloves and goggles for protection. Finally, Class 9 is for miscellaneous dangerous goods. Their labels are black and white stripes. They cover materials that don't fit neatly into other categories but are still hazardous. One of the most important things to remember is that hazmat labels are not optional. They're a legal requirement. Failing to use the correct labels can result in serious penalties, including fines and shipping delays. These labels are a key part of communication for emergency responders, ensuring the right precautions are taken during incidents involving hazardous materials. Understanding these labels helps ensure safety for everyone involved in transporting hazardous materials. It's not just about compliance, it's about preventing accidents and protecting lives. At FMCSA Registration.com, we specialize in helping motor carriers, truck drivers, and brokers navigate the complexities of hazmat compliance. From ensuring you have the correct labels to managing other FMCSA requirements, we're here to make your operations as smooth as possible. Visit us at FMCSAregistration.com or call us at 866-477-0707.